welcome to my tutorial video on the topic table creation and test formatting. Have you ever wondered how professional documents like research papers, reports, presentations are so well structured and visually appealing? The secret lies in effective formatting. We will uncover the act of formatting, from creating tables to applying stylish fonts. Let's dive in and transform your document from ordinary to extraordinary. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to create format tables, apply basic formatting techniques such as bold, italics, underline, able to change font styles, sizes, and colors. Now, let's dive into the practical aspect of this tutorial. Let's launch our MS Word application. Now, I want to create my personal timetable using MS Word. So first, I want my orientation to be landscape format, and the interface is already portrait, so I have to change it. By changing it, you will go to the page layout ribbon here, tab group, click on orientation and change it to landscape. Yes, my interface has been changed to landscape orientation. I will type my title of my timetable. I will name it my personal timetable. Let's move forward to create our tables. By creating tables, you will go to the insert ribbon, come to the illustrations group, and come to tables. You click on tables here. Per my timetable that I'm designing, I will use 5 columns and 12 rows. So I'll come here and type in my 5, it's already typed, 12, I will type in. I can use the drop down arrows to regulate it to any number of tables that I want to create here. So now I want 12, and after I click on OK here, you see my table has been created. Now I will type in my text, my subject, my time. So let's say I'll start studying on Friday, Saturday. Yeah, I will type in all of my text inside the table. Now that I'm done typing in my text, I want to merge the cells because I want from here to here to be merged. How do I merge a cell? I will come to the layout ribbon here, click, and come to the merge group. The merge group, I will click on merge cells. It will automatically merge it. I will apply same to all the cells that I want it to be merged. Yeah, I want to merge here. So all the cells that I want it to be merged. Merging all the cells that I want it to be merged. So now I want all the text in my table and my title should be capitalized. I will highlight everything here. Highlight it like this. Yeah. Come to the font group and click on the change case to uppercase here. So you see, every text here has turned to capitalize. Now, I want my table, the outline is so faint. I want it to be a little bit bold and illegible. So I'll come to my paragraph group here and click on borders. The drop down list. Come to the last end, borders and shade, and click on it too. And come to all borders and change it to any size that I want it to be deepened. Yes, so I want it to. After I click on OK, you see now my outline is a little bit deeper than the earlier one. Yeah, so now I want to change the font style, the font size, and the colors, bolding it, underline some of my text. All these are done using the font group under the home ribbon. So first, let me highlight my personal timetable, my title, and change the font size to any font size that I want. Okay, so now I want this font size. I want to bolden it. Click on bold here, the B here. Also, and I want to center it. I'll come to the paragraph group here. Click on center. The alignments, we have the left alignment, the right alignment, the center alignment, and justified. So I clicked on centered here and it has centered my personal timetable. Now I want to change the font style of all the text in my table. So now I've highlighted my table. Go to the font style. Choose any font style. You can be playing with it to see how the font styles are. Yeah, they will give you different. So now I've chosen the font style that I want. Yeah, it has changed. And the font size, so I want it to be increased. So I will click on it to increase it here. Can increase it any size that you want your text to be. Formatting is very nice because it changes the appearance of the text and makes it very appealing. Yeah, so I've changed it to 12 here. I can highlight them, single text like this, and change the font size to maybe 16 or 14 here. Yeah, I can highlight a text here and change the colors. So now I highlighted the here and change it to red. I also change this to blue. I will change all my text here to different colors. Yeah, just highlight them and change it. That's all that you need. So now you've seen how I've used the font group to change the appearance of my text. Use the color red, blue, I bolded some, I changed the font styles. So now your practical assignment is, how do you change the font style, size, and colors of a text? 2. Create your personal timetable. We've already done that, so you can use that as a guide to create your personal timetable. So create your personal timetable. All that you need to do is that you use the guideline that I used earlier to guide you to create your personal timetable. Bolding some, use the italics, change the font styles, and many more to use it. By successfully completing these tasks, you've demonstrated a solid foundations in basic word processing skills. This newfound knowledge will undoubtedly enhance your document creation and formatting abilities. Keep practicing and exploring the full potentials of MS Word to further elevate your work. Learning integration. This module is based on cognitive learning theory, which involves presenting information in a structured format and providing opportunities for practice to enhance understanding and memory. Each step is designed to build upon the previous one, actively engaging learning.